Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from class 9A and we are from team hornbill. Today we would like to tell you guys about how to save endangered animals. But before we get started, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Jonah Frida Mills.
My name is Atasha Sabrina.
My name is Dila Olivia.
My name is Camila Sabrina.
So, without further ado, let's get started.
Bali starling is the one of the rarest bird, with a few hundred left in the wild and roughly 1,000 kept in captivity. As both a Balinese conservable and part of the forest ecosystem, it needs protection through habitat conservation, anti-poaching, breeding programs, and community involvement.
Birds of paradise or cendrawasih are declining to just a few thousand. In some species due to hunting and habitat loss.
And they are vital for the forest balance and serve as a symbol of Papuan heritage and Indonesia's biodiversity. So, protection means preserving forests, stopping illegal trade, and involving local communities.
Helmet hornbill. Only about 1300 until 1500 helmet hornbill remain in the wild, and their population keeps shrinking. They face surface threats from forest loss and hunting for their unique case.
Safeguarding them depends on conserving rainforests, ending illegal hunt and trade, and empowering local communities to take part in protection efforts.
All from us today. Don't forget to like,
Comment!
And subscribe!